Hi everyone, I found an Anna, the sister of Elsa from Disney store in Shanghai. The clock fell off while the children were playing with it, so I'm going to fix it with the glue gun. Turn on the glue gun and let it preheat for a few seconds. I'm going to glue the clock on Anna. First, glue the tips of the clock. When glue the tips of the clock, glue them one by one. This side glued well. Then need to glue the other side. Looks like the clock is on Anna's shoulders very well. It helps the clock to stick better if you press the tips till the glue gets cooled down. The clock is on Anna's shoulders without any sewing. Look at her face, much better. The children will love it too. It was an easy way to glue Anna's cloak with Jackglue.